It's recommended that you replace your filters every 6 to 8 months. But if you see dirt or lime scale buildup on your filters, it's time to replace them. Don't worry though, this is a very simple task and one that can be done in about a minute or so. If you haven't purchased your replacement stones or polypropylene filters, go to the StoneStream website at replacement.stone.stream and order your replacement filters. Alright, let's go through the steps of replacing the stones. So the first step is to detach the StoneStream shower head from the shower hose or the wall adapter. Then we want to disassemble the handle from the head. Alright, step number 3 is to remove this inner mesh filter. And we want to pour out all of the old stones, or if you have a filter, go ahead and remove the old filter. Next, we want to grab a clean cloth with a bit of white vinegar and go ahead and clean the inside of the handle. Right, put this in the handle and give it a little twist. Okay. Then we're going to get our new replacement stones and go ahead and put this back into the handle, or if you have a filter, put the filter in. Alright, the next step is to place the inner mesh filter back inside and reconnect it to the head. Alright, then we would want to reattach this back to the shower hose or the wall adapter. And the last step would be to run hot water through the shower head for about a minute or two, and this is going to make sure that we clean up any vinegar or lime scale residue. And that's it! You've earned yourself 6 to 8 more months of delightful showers.